Hello everybody and welcome back to the Crown Lounge. So what we're going to make today is a drink called the Hanky Panky that dates back into the 1930s. The guy who made it was fleeing the Prohibition in America, and he came up with this drink. So, which incorporates gin, sweet vermouth, and a couple dashes of Fernet-Branca. But anyway, let's get started. First thing first, we're going to do 1.5 ounces of gin. Any gin, it's not specific, just 1.5 ounces. Next, we're going to do 1.5 ounces of a sweet vermouth. And last, we're going to do 2 dashes of the Fernet-Branca, right? Just 2 dashes. So I figured the easy way to do it is put a little bit in the top. And 1, 2. Or get a little droplet, which I have somewhere. I just don't feel like looking for it. Anywho, get a little ice. Give this a stir. Coupe glass. I already moved it. And let's strain it. So this one, you know, the only real sweetness you get is from the sweet vermouth, because the Fernet-Branca is very minty and herbally, right? So here we go. A Hanky Panky. It's a good drink. Everything shines in this drink. It's a solid, it's a good drink. I can see this being on, you know, on a lot of restaurants' menus in the special section, because it's special. Anyway, don't forget to like, follow, and share. Till next time, cheers.